Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. You can raise the vent to the on position by starting your car and pushing the recirculating air button. It's not uncommon for there to be no cabin filter initially. Install your new AQ1229 filters into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Open the filter housing by unlatching the clip. Install the first filter and push it all the way to the right to make room for the other. Insert the other filter into the housing, and then make sure that both filters are completely flushed. Re-clip the housing door. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.